Hey, this is Jake Nichols for My Smoky TV here for episode number 5, a little thing that we like to call Smoky Mountain samples here at Piccolo's Pizza on the Newport Highway in Sevierville. Now, this time of year, high school football is over, but we're getting started with some of the bowl games and the Super Bowl in college and professional football, so sit back and order some Piccolos for yourself, and then meanwhile, we'll take you inside and see what they've got to offer. Great experience today at Piccolos in Sevierville, right on the Newport Highway. Hey, how you doing? Doing all right. Just a great experience at Piccolos. See, that piccolo looks pretty good. Started off with some wings that were outstanding. Just nice and crispy on the outside, really sweet barbecue sauce paired well with it. That barbecue sauce is absolutely awesome. And then with the ranch, I'm a big fan of ranch, but with those wings, it just went perfectly. I'm looking forward to this. With all those flavors put together. After that, got into the Philly cheesesteak, and it was phenomenal. Just nice thick breading on the outside with a little bit of that grease from the steak on the inside, and then obviously with some nice melty cheese, some awesome peppers and onions, really great flavor combinations in that Philly cheesesteak, and then the fries just outstanding. You can tell they're hand cut too, just because of the texture. Nice and crispy but soft on the inside as well, just exactly how you want a French fry. And then after that, the calzone, just perfectly flavored, and the crust on this calzone is absolutely phenomenal. Nice and thick, crispy on the outside, tender, very fluffy on the inside with that breading with some pepperoni, ham, sausage, and some of that tomato and cheese, just really, really good. And then lastly with the piccolo, that pizza, just awesome with the pepperoni, the sausage, green peppers, and a really, really nice crust to go with that as well. We're gonna try a little bit in this famous Piccolo's garlic dipping sauce right here. A really good compliment to the pizza overall. So altogether an awesome experience at Piccolo's. Be sure you go in on Wednesdays as well. They've got any large pizza for $10. So that extends from the Piccolo to if you just want a regular cheese pizza. So altogether, thanks to Adam for an awesome experience today at Piccolo's in Sevierville.